Alright, bet.
What you about to say?
I'm not about to say shit. I might just throw this bitch on my story. This shit is crazy. Like,
You need your camera clean. That shit. Look at that shit. Look what that shit look like.
the fuck? Shit like
Hold on, let me clean that shit.
Whatever the fuck that disease is called.
That shit's still bad. What the fuck, man?
This shit is crazy. I can't even 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then there's like 5 in there. So like 15. Oh, fucking 10, 11.
It's really fuck 12, bro.
It's 11 of them right just outside. There's still niggas inside, but there's 11 of them just outside. It's more